Hello all. This is a short video on using modular connectors. Don't know whether it'll be of interest to all, but something that I've found particularly for 3-aspect signals. You can get in the store, you can get modular connectors, simple through connector sort of thing you use for your telephone. If you open them up, you have a red, yellow, green and a black wire. And of course that's perfect for your 3-aspect sign, which is red, yellow, green and a black common. So that's exactly the same pattern as found in a modular connector. So I've started using these, and I use just telephone wire, which you can get in the store, which is of course also red, yellow, green and black, and with a modular connector to connect that up to your decoder. So it just connects in like that. So that makes life a little easier for installing signals under the from layout, or installing the decoder and connections under the layout. This is a 16-way single or 8-way dual output decoder module that we can get here. So it's 16 outputs, and of course you need 3 outputs per 3-aspect signal, red, yellow and green. So you can get 5 signals. That'll be 15 outputs and 1 spare output from one of these decoders. And I just make a little board and add, and I'll be adding, this was one I got out of a telephone, and I'll just be adding these. I cut the wire here in the middle, like so. So you've got your four wires that you need. Open them up, add a little bit of extra extension to them, and then stick them on to the board, and the whole thing is then ready for install. Just add the power, which in this case is 12 volt DC for the signals, your DCC bus for your signal wire. And what I've found, you may find that yourselves as well if you buy a standard signal with LEDs in them, is that the red and the green in particular burn much brighter than the yellow LED with the same resistors on it. So I hook up the yellow directly, and the red and the green I add a resistor package, and I found I can get up to these are 100k resistors, and if I put 3 together, then that's 30k resistor, and that brings the red and the green down to a non-overshining light. Because I found on my signals on the layout at the moment that the red and the green in particular are overshining, and particularly if you make a film, they shine completely through the video. So I'll be adding these much larger resistors to my existing signals as well. Just to show the difference a resistor can make, I've now got the resistors that I want in the sign. You can see here the green and the red as they will be, but if I jumper particularly the green, if I jumper the green, this is a 1.5k resistor, I'll just jumper across that and you can see the difference in brightness, and I may have a little bit less, but that's what I've got at the moment, and it's just too bright and overshadows video pictures and everything, and particularly at night time or in darkness. So that's the brightness I'm trying to get at. That's the yellow without any resistor. You can see it's quite dim. And that's the red, and if I jump with the red, you can see then it's really shining much brighter. So that's what I'm going to be using from now on. And alas, I'll have to the signals that I've already installed, and I've installed 20 of them already. I'm going to add this package of resistors across, because this is much better brightness for the signal. Anyway, that compared with the modular connector makes life a little easier under the board. Okay, thought this might be of interest.